So you'll see that it brings you to this page here, which is going to be our library catalog landing page. Okay, so this is going to be where you're going to start searching. The way to search for just specifically the Coker University catalog, right? Because if you search in here, what that's going to do is that's going to search everything. So it's not only going to search our catalog, but it's also going to search other institutions' catalog through Pascal. It's also going to search for articles and a lot of other things. So if you're looking for books or DVDs specifically, especially ones that we have in the Coker library, this is not the most efficient way. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you click Advanced Search. Okay, now what that's going to do is it's going to bring up this box here. And then you can see you have different options for what you want to search for. In order to search just specifically for resources from our library catalog, you will want to click the little bullet next to Coker University catalog. So now you are only searching within the Coker catalog. Okay. So when you are doing an advanced search, you have a lot of different options, right? You have your any field, so this is where you can search for like authors. If you're wanting to search like specifically for books by an author, you could do that. If you have the title of a book or a movie that maybe you're wanting to search for, you can drop that down, and you will also have your title options. So that's where you can kind of do that. Contains, you don't really have to worry too much about that. The and, you don't really have to worry too much about that with these searches. The and is basically if you're searching for articles, you would then want to combine two different search terms, and you would have the and there. But since we're just going to focus on the catalog and searching for books or DVDs in this example, that's not going to be super relevant. So what we're going to do is we are going to go with Harry Potter. And let's say we want to search specifically for DVDs in our catalog. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to come to the material type. Okay, so the material type is going to allow you to designate exactly what type of material you're wanting to search for within our Coker University catalog. So as you can see, you have all items, you have books, journals isn't really going to be relevant for us, articles isn't going to be relevant for us, images, none of that stuff. Really the only thing if you're searching within the catalog that's going to be super relevant to you is going to be video and film, which is going to be for any kind of DVDs we have, and then also for books. So since we're wanting to search for Harry Potter DVDs in our catalog, you would just click video, film, and you click search. Then after you click search, and it finally decides to pop that up, you're going to see you have all of our different listings here. And so these are going to be all videos, all DVDs for Harry Potter that's going to pop up. Something that I would like to also show you is that if maybe, let's say you didn't know about the resource, the resource tab up here, the material type, to designate what you want to look for, and maybe let's just say you did all items and you searched for Harry Potter. And then let's say you got a bunch of things down here and you're like, I really want to just focus on DVDs. What you can do also after the search is you can come over to resource type and you can drop that menu down, and what it will do is it will show you all of the different resource types that are available. So right now it's only videos. Let me go ahead and actually show you what it will look like if we did all items up here. So we search. Okay, so we didn't designate up here what we wanted. And even though you get a lot of videos up front, what you will also see down here in resource type is when you drop that down, as you can see, we have a lot of different options. So let's say at this point, let's say, okay, yeah, I just want to focus on the videos. I just want to focus on the DVDs. You can click that and you can do that there. So you are able, with an advanced search, you are able to designate the material type either before or after the search. So you can designate it either way. So you always have that option, which is really cool. So it's a really good feature to have. When you are searching for your items, let's say you're wanting to check out Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. So you would click this, and it would bring up the record. So this is going to be your item records. It's going to give you a bunch of different information. It's going to give you some options in terms of tools and stuff, which isn't really going to be super relevant for you guys, especially for books and for DVDs. It's a little more relevant for articles. But you can see you get like your description down here. You get a lot of different items and different things like that. So what you'll see down here is you'll see location items, right? And it will actually tell you exactly where it's located. And it will also give you the call number here. You can also get that information here. It will also tell you what is available. And then again, like I said, it will show you the location. So in this case, it's going to be in the multimedia collection, which is on the first floor of the library. We have a first floor and a second floor. So sometimes you may see materials located on the second floor. A lot of times books. A lot of our books that you're going to search for will be located on the second floor in a very specific section. And then after the location, you will find the call number, and this is going to be the address basically for the item. So it'll be a call number. There'll be a designated call number for videos, for books. We have CDs, we have vinyl, we have a lot of different things. We have graphic novels. All of them will have designated call numbers, right? And they will all have designated locations. So this is going to be where you are always going to find that. On the record page, if you don't want to go to the record page, or if you don't really need to go to the record page, you can also get all of that information right up front down here. It's going to be the exact same information that you saw there. So it's going to tell you if it's available, it's going to give you your location, and it's going to give you your call number. So then you can just copy all that stuff down, take a picture of it, whatever you will, and then you can just go find it in the library, get it, bring it up front, and check it out. So that's going to be the quick and dirty way of searching our library catalog for books and DVDs. As per the assignment, please go ahead and conduct the sample search for question 5. And again, just use all of these different techniques to conduct that search and answer the questions for question 5. So as always, thank you for watching, and have a great day.